What's going on, guys? All right, so as you can see, my car is disgusting. Like, it is super bad. I even washed it like a couple weeks ago. Maybe not a couple weeks ago, maybe like a week ago. And it's not pretty. So it's really not pretty right now. It looks really rough. I still haven't wrapped the front lip. I do want to wrap it because I like it matched. But yeah, let's check out the car. We're about to wash it, see how the wrap's holding up. Let's check that out. Whew. Yeah, it's bad. Color looks good though. It's wrap's holding up. There's no lifting, no bubbling, no peeling, none of that stuff. I mean, yeah, it's pretty, huh? This is what it's been like here. It's been negative 20 to 25 degrees Celsius like every day for like 2 weeks. Nobody wants to wash their car. It's even super cold today. It's like negative 25 today. But yeah, it's super cold, super bad. But yeah, we're gonna wash it up and see how it goes. I got the guys here and they're gonna give me a hand and we're gonna get to it. We're gonna ceramic coat it right after this and I'm gonna show you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ceramic coat most of the car. Other than the carbon fiber roof, I don't know if I can. But I'm gonna leave the top of the trunk. So we're gonna see in a couple of months how it's holding up compared to the rest of the vehicle. Other than that, stay tuned. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you wanna see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.